Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Bank of America credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the search box, type in Activate Bank of America credit card in the search box and press enter. From the search results displayed on the next page, click on this first link that says Bank of America /card activation /welcome to card. And once you click on this link, you'll be taken to the page where you can easily activate your Bank of America credit cards. In order to activate your credit card, you'll need to log into your online banking account. You'll need to type in your bank ID and your passcode. If you don't use online banking, you can simply enroll into online banking first by clicking on this Enroll in Online Banking link and follow the instructions. Since I already have an account, I'm going to click on the Sign in to Online Banking option on the left. Once you click it on, you'll end up in the Sign in area. Start off by entering your user ID in the first text box, and now head over to the next field and type in your password. If you'd like the system to save your user ID in this particular device, check this Save User ID box. Leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared computer. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on Sign in Help option at the bottom and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to look for your credentials. Finally, after filling in your details, click the Login button, and once you are logged in, follow through the on-screen prompts in order to activate your Bank of America credit card. That's how you can easily activate Bank of America credit card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.